Right, we're gonna do some, hang on, where's my eggs? I'll be back. We're gonna do some fruit munchies for the birds. First you will need empty organic mixed fruits. Yeah, and put these now in here. You put them in there, like so. Then we can now add an egg. There you go, that in there. And now we need to mix it up a little bit. And just mix it into the egg, so we have a bit of a sticky texture to it. We can make some little balls. And then what else? We can also put some chia seeds in. You can add some of them. And we can add some coconuts. There you go. And then all we've got to do now is mix it all up. Like so. Go. As you can see, got just getting the texture all sticky. Now we're going to add a little bit of buckwheat flour in, so we can seal them. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And now we'll have to make little balls out of them. Now it depends on the texture. We might have to put a little bit more flour, or you just have to trial and error with it. But we'll have a go. Obviously wash your hands first before you do this. Now, as you can see, there is one fruit bowl. So let's see how many we can get out of this. There's one. You can put all sorts really. You can put hemp seed, chia seed, linseed, golden linseeds into it, or the golden crunch, the vegetable crunch you can put in it as well, and do a vegetable crunch munchies. And there you go. And we have got 4 now. Four, 5, that's the 5th one. Yeah. And then we have, you can either cut them in half as well, because these are pretty big ones I've done here. more do the vegetable ones because they need 75% vegetables and 25% fruit in the diet. But it's nice for them to have, especially if they like their fruits. Yeah. It's this bit I hate doing, just getting it all tacky. And they're nearly done now. We've only got a few more to do. And then we can put them in the oven. We'll put them in the oven for about maybe 15-20 minutes on, say, 170. Yeah. And there you go. I think we can make one more out of it. Very teachy one. Maybe not. There you go. Right, let me just get rid of the bowl. And now we have got them all ready now to go into the oven. Oops. And there you go. We'll check it in a minute.